Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the Treasure NFT wallet and confirming you control the account. Open the wallet's security or two-factor settings. Make sure you're on the correct network and logged in. Next, launch Google Authenticator on your phone and choose to add a new account. You do this now because pairing must occur while your wallet displays the QR or secret code. Once done, keep the wallet and phone within reach. You'll need both for the next step. You now scan the QR code shown by Treasure or paste the secret key into Authenticator. Scanning is faster, but manual entry works equally well. Make sure your phone's time is accurately synced because Google Authenticator generates time-based 6-digit codes. Incorrect time causes failures. Once the account appears in Authenticator, watch the timer and note the first code. If scanning fails, redisplay the QR on the wallet and retry. Avoid screenshots for security reasons. You finish by typing the current 6-digit code from Google Authenticator into Treasure's verification box and submitting it. The wallet will confirm the code and enable two-factor authentication. This protects your NFT and transactions. After verification, store the backup secret or printed backup codes securely offline so you can recover access later. If verification fails, make sure your phone's time is set to automatic network time and, if needed, remove and re-add the key.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.